MARPOL Annex 6 focuses on preventing air pollution from ships by regulating emission and fuel quality. This rules applies to all ships, help to reduce harmful impacts on the marine environment and human health. These are key requirements of MARPOL Annex 6. One of the biggest requirements is limiting sulfur oxide or SOx emission. As of 2020, ships meet fuel with sulfur content of no more than 5% unless operating in emission control areas where the limit is even stricter at 1%. Alternatively, ship can use exhaust gas cleaning system, also known as scrubbers, to meet the standards. Nitrogen oxide or NOx emission limits. Ships must also comply with NOx emission limits which vary depending on the engine's construction, date, and the area of operation. There are 3 tiers of NOx standards. Tier 1 for ships built before 2000. Tier 2 for ships built after year 2011. Tier 3, which applies to all ships operating in emission control areas and built after year 2016. Particulate matter. PM is another significant concern. Regulations for focusing on reducing PM emissions through engine maintenance and the use of appropriate fuel. Regular inspection and maintenance are key to stay compliant. Emission control areas, including North America, the Caribbean, Baltic Sea, and the North Sea. In these designated areas, ships must meet the stricter Tier 3 limits to significantly reduce nitrogen oxide emission. The Energy Efficient Design Index or EEDI for new ships, ensuring that they are built with fuel-efficient technologies. The Ship Energy Efficient Management Plan or SEEMP for all ships, which helps optimize fuel consumption and reduce emission. Ship must ensure that any equipment containing ozone-depleting substances like certain refrigerants or fire suppression system is appropriately managed. Additionally, tankers carrying volatile organic compound or VOCs must have a system in place to control their release. Port state control. Ships are subjected to inspect by port state control authorities to verify compliance. Non-compliance can lead to significant penalties.